Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to link the scanner using the Bluetooth and use it in Genius POS. So make sure this is your scanner and then click to activate it and scan this barcode. Make sure this manual and this card, you must keep it properly and then just scan it. So after scan, it will show blinking light. So after blinking light already, it's in the Bluetooth mode. So go to your iPad, go to your setting, click on the Bluetooth, search for the device, then connect to the scanner HID. So once connect, it will show the beeping sound here. Then go to the Genius POS, go to the setting, go to the item, let's say the pizza. Okay, now I want to add a barcode. Example, I have the Oreo and I want to scan it. Okay, very simple. Click on the barcode number and scan. So automatically it will scan the barcode and don't forget to click save. Once it's saved, it will show that the barcode is attached with this item. Then go to your home. Once you scan it, automatically it will detect it. If you want to show the keyboard, very simple, double click this, automatically the keyboard will come up. That's all for today. Thank you. 我是阿 Seng，找 POS System，找阿 Seng。